Hello and welcome. Today I will tell you how to earn money online and from home without any invest. So without wasting of time, we will start. Have you about Amazon? If now I will tell you. Amazon.com Inc. is an American international commerce company, and every day, millions of people working on Amazon and earning money. I will introduce you one of Amazon websites. Okay, now come to mobile or laptop screen and open Google Chrome and type affiliate.amazon.com. And you will go to like this page. And here you will see sign in, sign up, after recommend, and after earn money. So need to follow 3 steps. So first of all, I will show you how to create account. Okay, enter your email and after enter password. Use a product which you have knowledge and recommend and promote from your YouTube channel by giving Amazon link. You can bring traffic and can earn money. It's through your Let's start. Enter your email and after enter password, which should be 8 characters. Okay. Then after creating accounts, you can open Amazon account with email and password and then sign into Amazon account. Okay, congrats, now you have your own account on Amazon. Now let's step by step how you will earn money. You choose any country where you want to recommend Amazon shopping online. Choose a product. For example, if anyone buy $50 shirt from your link, you will get $10 and in this. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more learning and informative videos. Thanks for watching.